Good morning, students. Welcome back to my channel STEM Education. Today I am over here with class 9, chapter 2, Is the Matter Around Us Pure? We are going to do the revision of this chapter. That is, all the MCQs of this chapter will be doing. Okay, so I just framed few such questions, near about 40 to 50 questions. We'll be discussing all of them, and thus you'll be getting the idea that what type of questions, objective questions, can be asked from this chapter. So without wasting much of our time, let us start. The first question: what is the name of the metal which exists in liquid state at room temperature? The options are sodium, potassium, mercury, bromine. The correct option is C, that is mercury. Second question: what is the name of the non-metal which exists in liquid state at room temperature? The options are mercury, bromine, sodium, potassium. The correct answer is bromine. Question number 3. When the liquid is burned rapidly, the denser particles are forced to bottom and the lighter particles stay at the top. This principle is used in options are centrifugation, fractional distillation, evaporation and tunneling. The correct answer is centrifugation. Fourth question: if we put camphor in an open container, its amount keeps on decreasing due to the phenomenon of options are evaporation, precipitation, condensation and sublimation. The correct answer is sublimation. Question number 5. Which of the following element is not a metalloid? Options are boron, silicon, germanium, tungsten. The correct answer is tungsten. Question number 6. In tincture of iodine, find the solute and solvent. Options are A. Alcohol is the solute and iodine is solvent. B. Iodine is the solute and alcohol is the solvent. C. Any component can be considered as solute or solvent. And option D is tincture of iodine is not a solution. The correct option is B. Iodine is solute and alcohol is solvent. Next question: heterogeneous mixture in which the solute particles do not dissolve and remain suspended throughout the solvent and the solute particle can be seen with the naked eye is known as. The options are colloidal solution, supersaturated solution, sublimation and suspension. The correct answer is suspension. Next question: a pure substance which is made up of only one kind of atom and cannot be broken into two or more simpler substances by physical or chemical means is referred to as. Options are a compound, an element, a molecule, a mixture. The correct answer is B, an element. Next question: the continuous zigzag movement of colloidal particles in a dispersion medium is called. Options are dispersion, Tyndall effect, Brownian movement, oscillation. The correct option is C, Brownian movement. Next question: which of the following property does not describe a compound? Options are it is composed of two or more elements, it is a pure substance, it cannot be separated into constituents of physical means, and it is mixed in any proportion by mass. The correct answer is D, it is mixed in any proportion by mass. The next question: which of the following non-metal is a good conductor of electricity? The options are aluminum, silicon, graphite, gold. The correct answer is C, graphite. Next question: when two liquids do not mix, they form two separate layers are known as. Options are miscible liquids, immiscible liquids, saturated liquids, and supersaturated liquids? The correct answer is B, immiscible liquids. These are the answers for question 1 and 12. No doubt I have said the answer, but you yourself also can test your own skill and then verify the answer over here. The next question. Which out of the following is a heterogeneous mixture? Options are air, brass, iodized table salt, and still. The correct answer is A, air. Next question. Brass is an example of a. Options are homogeneous compound, homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture, heterogeneous compound. The correct option is B, homogeneous mixture. Next question. Air is regarded as a mixture because the options are its pressure may vary, its temperature may change, its volume changes under different conditions, its composition may vary. The correct option is D, its composition may vary. The next question. When solutions of sodium sulfate and barium chloride are mixed, an insoluble solid settles at the bottom of the test tube. Its color is. Options are blue, green, white, yellow. The correct answer is C, white. Next question. Which of the following is not a compound? The options are sulfur dioxide, chalk, lead, sulfuric acid. The correct option is C, that is lead. The next question. Which of the following statement is true about compounds? Options are compound is homogeneous and have a fixed composition. Compound is heterogeneous and have fixed composition. Compound is heterogeneous and compound is heterogeneous and has no fixed composition. The correct option is A. Compound is homogeneous and have a fixed composition. Next question. Which of the following is not a mixture? Options are pure water, seawater, air, brass. The correct option is A. Pure water. The next question. An example of a liquid metal and a liquid non-metal is. Options are gallium mercury, mercury chlorine, mercury bromine, and bromine sulfur. The correct answer is mercury bromine. The next question. Which of the following is colloid? The options are aluminum paint, blood, milk, all of the above. The correct option is D, that is all of the above. The next question. Which of the following is a true solution? Options are milk, chalk powder in water, salt solution, and blood. The correct option is C, salt solution. The next question. The process of separation of insoluble solid from a liquid is called. Options are filtration, decantation, crystallization, and evaporation. The correct answer is filtration. The next question. The process used to separate oil and water is. The options are distillation, sublimation, separating funnel, chromatography. The correct option is C, that is separating funnel. Next, the size of colloidal particle is in the range of 1 degree angstrom to 100 degree angstrom, 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer, 10 raised to minus 9 meter to 10 raised to minus 6 meter, 10 raised to 9 centimeter to 10 raised to minus 7 centimeter. The correct option is B, 1 nanometer to 1000 nanometer. Again, this is the answer key for questions 13 to 25. Now onward, I'll be writing the answer just below the question. So you won't be able to test that, but you have to read and study. The next question. Mercury and bromine are both Options are liquid at room temperature, solid at room temperature, gases at room temperature, both A and B. The correct option is A, liquid at room temperature. The next question, cooking of food and digestion of food. Options are, they are both are physical process, both are chemical process. Cooking is physical whereas digestion is chemical. Cooking is chemical whereas digestion is physical. The answer is B, both are chemical processes. Which of the following method would you use to separate cream from milk? The options are fractional distillation, distillation, centrifugation, filtration. The correct answer is centrifugation. The next question, two chemical species X and Y combine together to form a product P which contain both X and Y. X plus Y gives P. X and Y cannot be broken down into simpler substance by simple reaction. If this is the case, then which of the following concerning the species X, Y and P are correct? P is a compound. The next is X and Y are compound. Next, X and Y are element. P has a fixed composition. The options are 1, 2 and 3. B 1, 2 and 4. C option 2, 3 and 4. D option is 1, 3 and 4. The correct option is D 1, 3 and 4. Similar type of question. Two substances A and B were made to react to reaction a third substance A to B according to the following, that is 2 moles of A plus 1 mole of B gives A to B. Which of the following statements concerning this reaction are incorrect? The first statement, the product A to B shows the property of substances A and B. Second sentence, the product will always have a fixed composition. And the third sentence, the product so formed cannot be classified as a compound. And the fourth, the product so formed is an element. The options are A 1, 2 and 3, B 2, 3 and 4, C 1, 3 and 4, D 2, 3 and 4. The correct option is C 1, 3 and 4. The next question, which of the following are chemical changes? Decaying of food, burning of food, sewing of food, hammering of a nail into a piece of food. The options are A 1 and 2, B 2 and 3, C 3 and 4, D 1 and 4. The correct option is 1 and 2. Which of the following are physical changes? 1. Melting of iron metal. Second, rusting of iron. Third, bending of iron rod. And the fourth, drawing a wire of an iron metal. The options are A 1, 2 and 3, B 1, 2 and 4, C 1, 3 and 4, D is 2, 3 and 4. The correct option is C 1, 3 and 4. Boron and carbon are metalloids, metalloid and non-metal respectively, metal, non-metal and metalloid respectively. The correct answer is B, metalloid and non-metal respectively. In a water sugar solution, options are water is solute and sugar is solvent. Water is solvent and sugar is solute. Water is solute and water is also solvent. None of this. The correct answer is B. Water is solvent and sugar is solute. Sol and gel are examples of. The options are solid colloids. Sol is a solid liquid colloid. Gel is a solid colloid. Sol is solid colloid and gel is solid liquid colloid. Last option. Sol is a liquid solid colloid and gel is solid liquid colloid. The correct option is B. Sol is solid liquid colloid and gel is liquid colloid. Next question. Blood and sea water are. Options are both mixtures, both are compounds, both is a mixture whereas sea water is a blood is a mixture whereas sea water is compound. Blood is a compound and sea water is a mixture. The correct answer is A. Both are mixtures. Which of the following are homogeneous in nature? Ice, wood, soil, air. The options are A. 1 and 3, B. 2 and 4, C. 1 and 4, D is 3 and 4. The correct answer is C. 1 and 4. Tincture of iodine has antiseptic properties. This solution is made by dissolving. The options are iodine in potassium iodide, iodine in Vaseline, iodine in water, iodine in alcohol. The correct option is D. Iodine in alcohol. A mixture of sulfur and carbon disulfide is dash. The options are heterogeneous and shows Tyndall effect, homogeneous and shows Tyndall effect, heterogeneous and does not show the Tyndall effect, homogeneous and does not show Tyndall effect. The answer is homogeneous and does not show Tyndall effect. Next question. Rusting of an article made up of iron is called. Options are corrosion and it is a physical as well as chemical change, dissolution and it is a physical change, corrosion and it is a chemical change, dissolution and it is a chemical change. The correct answer is C. Corrosion and it is a chemical change. The next question. Which of the following statements are true for pure substances? Sentence 1. Pure substance contain only one kind of particle. Sentence 2. Pure substances may be compound or mixtures. 3. Pure substances have the same composition throughout. 4. Pure substances can be exemplified by all elements other than nickel. The options are A. 1 and 2, B. 1 and 3, C. 3 and 4, D. 2 and 3. The correct option is B. 1 and 3. Here students, there are few one-line question answers. Let us just see that. How can you change a saturated solution to an unsaturated solution without adding any more solvent to it? It is possible by heating the saturated solution. It becomes unsaturated. Sucrose crystals obtained from sugarcane and beetroot are mixed together. Will it be pure substance or a mixture? You are supposed to give reason for your answer. It is a pure substance because chemical composition of sugar crystals is same irrespective of its source. Identify the solute and the solvent in tincture of iodine. Iodine is solute while alcohol is solvent. Based on which factor a solution is said to be diluted, concentrated or saturated? A solution is said to be diluted, concentrated or saturated on the basis of the amount of solid dissolved in the solution. Next question. What is the mass percent of a solution? It is defined as the mass in gram of the solid present in 100 gram of a solution. Name two elements which exist in liquid state at room temperature. Answer is gallium and mercury exist in liquid state at room temperature. The next question. Why is water called universal solvent? Water is known as universal solvent because it has the ability to dissolve wide variety of substances. Next, define crystallization. It is the process that separates a pure solid in the form of its crystal from its solution. Next, identify the elements from the following substances: sulfur, brine, hydrochloric acid, water, neon, paper, sugar. The answer is the elements are sulfur and neon. Students, these were the few questions, one-line questions and MCQs, many MCQs So hope you all have enjoyed this video and you might have come to know all the different ways of asking MCQs and one-line answer, and also how to write the answer in short and very pinpointed. Students, if you have liked this particular video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe my channel, and to remain tuned with my channel. Please students, subscribe my channel. Don't forget to put your views under the video so that I can get idea of making more better videos for future. That will all obviously going to help you. Okay students, so goodbye till we meet for the next video.